Hello. Oh, 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 oh.
Okay.
How are you? Oh, 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 oh. Hi.
I don't do that.
So I made a terrible mistake of using this kind of stain. It's kind of like an orangey, yellowish, brownish color. And at first I liked the hue of the color, but then as time went on, I realized that this kind of color is normally used for decking outside the house. And so, with a heavy heart, I finally decided to change it into gray. So I have to flip over the materials, the wood that I've already stained, and so I have to redo it all over again, and I have to sand the nail glue. In other words, I'm doing to start all over again. But let's see if I would like the new color, which is grayish kind of thingy. Sorry guys, nag-in-English ako kanina kasi yung video ko na yun, i-post ko sa Facebook kasi mga friends ko sa Facebook, hindi lahat Filipino. So anyway, yung sinabi ko is, ayoko nung original na color. Ito po yung original na color na ginamit ko, di ba? May pagka orangey, brown, yellowish siya na color. And then as time goes on, na-realize ko na kalagmitan sa mga bahay dito sa Amerika may deck, yung may patio ba na kahoy. Tapos, ito yung mga color ng decks nila. So, parang nawalaan ako ng gana ba. Tapos, alam nyo guys, kasi linagyan ko siya ng liquid nail. Yun, ang tigas ng liquid nail. It took me mga probably more than 2 hours para lang magtanggal sa liquid nails. Ito oh. Yan, lamat yan ng liquid nail. Pasensya na. Pasensya na na-press ko yung sander ko. Tingnan nyo yung sander ko. Tapos i-press ko siya pababa. Spaghetti pababa. Yeah, so yan yung ginamit ko para pag ano bang tawag nito sa Tagalog? Sandpaper. So, i-touch ko ang sandpaper dyan, tapos i-glide ko lang, but it took me more than 2 hours to remove the liquid nail. So, finally, after 2 hours, ito na po yung nangyari. I have to redo it, everything, all over again. So, kailangan ko na siyang ganyan. Tapakan ko naman yung mga gilid-gilid para may smooth na transition from that wood to this wood. Pero guys, dito hindi ko talaga matanggal kahit anong sandpaper ko, hindi ko talaga matanggal, na stain na siya. But at least nasa gilid lang. Tapos ito, siguro ito madala pa ito ng sanding. So, we'll see. And then after that, gagamitan ko na siya ng ibang color. Ito po yung color na bagong i-apply ko. So, yan. Ay, wala pa rin pag-iba kasi umuwi na yung mga workers niya. So, dalawa na lang sila. Yung carpentero ko hiniram ng aking engineer. Sabi niya, can I borrow him so that we can work on that remaining stuffs there? Pero may nakita ako doon, bandang doon, deck. So, probably after the deck, i-install na namin yung lighting. So, itour ko kayo sa bahay. And it's not that I'm happy uploading this on YouTube kasi almost everyday na ngayon. Before, every other day. Ngayon, everyday na tinatanggalan ako ng watch hours. 1 hour, 2 hours. So, I really do not know what's going on. Parang, ang hirap pa i-contact yung YouTube. But anyway, ay bahala sila. So, at least may na kami, front porch, tapos na-covered na dyan, hindi na kami mahuhulog. Remember, before, kahoy lang yung bridge namin. Tapos, ang taas ng probably mga 10 to 15 feet yung lalim Diyan sa gilid-gilid ngayon is already covered pero kailangan pa rin ng maraming mga lupa. Yan, kasi ito pupunuin yan ng dirt hanggang dyan. Tapos yan, papunta doon. So, ganun ka rami. Towards the very back yung i-pour namin na dirt. Ay. Pasok na tayo sa aming bahay na wala katapos-tapos. Ooh, may deck na kami. Our deck is here.
Just be careful because they still got a few planks. I don't know.
Is it fastened? Are they fastened already? Ooh, look at that, huh?
I'm not sure yet. I was seeing if he's going to respond.
What?
If I said, is it?
Yeah, it's fastened. Look.
Well,
Ito lang yung...
it's safe to walk on because.
Yeah, of course, it's safe to walk.
Don't.
Ito na yung deck namin. Tadadam!
Of course, yeah, because they
Huh?
I wouldn't go.
So this is... My gosh, can you take video of me from downstairs over there? Hindi masyadong halata, but this is like 30 feet down. Woo.
Please.
Ha?
Just be careful, please.
Ang lalim, guys. Ang haba.
Right.
But anyway, so yan. Ito po yung magiging open door here. Tapos dining dito, pero yung dining ko gusto kong ilipat dito in the future. Lalagyan ko ito ng wall. Tapos ano ko lang glass walling dyan. Tapos so yan. Ito naman, ito yung door papuntang master bedroom namin. So, it will have a separate entrance and exit. Tapos, dito, magko-coffee ka lang in the morning and enjoy God's creation. Beautiful view outside in the backyard. Tapos, ang lalim. Tingnan nyo si Cory. Ganun siya. Kaliit.
Yeah, she's up there. She's already up there.
Decent size na deck. Tapos pag may gathering kami, dito kami kain-kain. Yeah. I will have my husband take a video from downstairs. Tingnan nyo, gaano siya kaliit. This is nice. Thank you, Lord.
Zoom in.
No. Hello. Oh.
Okay.
How are you? Oh. Hi.
I don't do that.
Welcome to our deck. Did you switch it off already?
No, but don't hang over, Marilyn.
Huh?
Don't do that.
Why?
I don't like
You wanna come
that.
down?
I don't like that. That's high up there, isn't it?
Napaka-protective ng asawa ko. Ayaw niya mahulog ako.
Oh,
Thank you, Bob.
we need some railings, though. We need
We're
railings.
going to put a railing around this deck, obviously, so nobody would fall. How
You
high
can
is
see all. We have lots of
30
dirt
feet down?
to put in. No, not 30, but. Okay, ready?
I'm at the top of the world.
Okay. They're gonna think you're crazy.
Okay.
Guys, tingnan nyo yung post ng kapitbahay ng deck nila. Parang chicken joy legs. Yan 4x4. Minsan kapagtataka kung paano yan nakakasupport ng kanilang deck. But guys, pa ganyan-ganyan lang yan. Pa niwang-niwang lang yan. Ano bang niwang sa Tagalog? Basta kay niwang. Paniwang-niwang lang yan, pero it is pressure treated. That is why ang tigas-tigas ng mga kahoy na ito. Hindi yan basta mababali, guys. Yan Yeah, those 3. Yeah, hindi yan mababali. Nakakasupport yan ng entire structure. Kaya nung dumating ako dito, nagtataka ako. Sabi ko, my gosh, bakit ang liit-liit ng mga nila? Tingnan nyo, oh. Pero dumating kasi yan sa machine, tapos pressure treated and pressure treated and chemical treated, of course. So yan, kaya nakaka-support yan ng entire deck area. So yung deck namin from inside our bedroom. Tapos may buslot pa dito, kailangan pang tapusin. So ito na yung update ng aking shower sa master bath. Yan po ay backer board. So linagyan ko na ng backer board. Tapos ito dapat yung backer board nasa pinakailalim. Kaya lang kailangan ko pang isemento yan. So lalagyan ko na lang ng counting piece later once that area there is cemented. And yeah, dito sa gilid din temporary yan kasi nagkamali sila ng nakakainis talaga tong mga taong ito. Nagkakamali sila. May joint dyan na mali. So, linagyan ko lang ng I corrected it. And, so, itong space dyan, magiging talaga yan, ng equal distance from there to here. Kailangan ko lang screw in ito. Tapos, lagyan ko ng counting strip of backer board there. Tapos, after that, seal ko. Lagyan ng tape. So, I can already install the tiles. Can't wait. Hindi man lang ma-install kasi hindi pa na check ng city engineers kasi kailangan tapusin yung deck. Hi. I can't believe na ganito yung lupain namin noon na tag 5-5 lang. Tapos kagubatan pa noon mga 5 to 6 months ago. Tapos ngayon may bahay na. So we thank you Lord. Pino-provide niya sa amin yung mga needs namin na hindi kami nagkautang-utang. Syempre, nakautang kami pero doon sa 401k ng asawa ko kaya hindi kami nakautang sa bangko. So, out of pocket yung ginasta namin para sa bahay namin dahil bless kami ng Panginoon sa aming counting negosyo na pagbili ng mga counting bahay na sira-sira, tapos inaayos namin, tapos pinaganda at ibibenta ng medyo may mahal na ng kaunti. Kaya after 4 to 5 houses na nabinta namin, yun, nakapagtayo na kami ng sarili naming bahay. So, thank you Lord for that. I can't wait para matapos ito lahat at saka makapahinga na rin kami sa aming mga gastusin. Salamat po sa inyong lahat na nanood and I really appreciate you guys and I thank God for you guys. Salamat dahil hininto nyo yung mga kinagawa ninyo tapos nanood kayo sa mga videos ko. So, God bless us all and ingat po kayo palagi dyan sa atin. And sana pagpalain po tayo ng Panginoon. Bye-bye!